48 by 24. Okay, 48 by 24. These scraps remind me of going to my granddad's workshop when I was little. I used to love being out there. You don't have to excuse my garage. I got a lot of stuff up in here. Oh, I just want to cut some wood real quick. This is my miter saw. I used to love being in my granddad's workshop. When I was little, I would take some of the scraps that he would have, wood scraps, and take a hammer, extra hammer he had, and some nails that got bent, and just trying to make something. So funny how things start out. Okay. I'm just gonna make my initial cut. Okay, so while that dries, I'm gonna do a couple of things in the kitchen. I think the guest bedroom is coming along. However, I'm just going to take my time. I'm not trying to do it all in one day. I just give myself a couple of tasks to do that's reasonable for my schedule, and then just implement that. As a result, I will have a beautiful guest bedroom in the end, but I'm just going to take my time with it. I hope the information that I'm sharing with you is showing you that you do not have to complete everything in one setting or over a weekend. You can take your time and just do a couple of things and just sit with that and see what needs to be changed, after you do that, or whether you're finished. For me, I'm not finished. I'm always constantly changing things up. So I just kind of like do what feels right and just go with that. If you're someone struggling and need some direction as far as how to decorate your room, I can help. I'll put my contact information in the description box below. Just check that out. I do need to stain my frame, but I will do that another day. I'm getting hungry, so I'm gonna go ahead and make my food, as well as I'm going to make some cupcakes.